am Hüseyin Kılıç. I have been working in the technical team of Toyotetsu machine maintenance department for 12 years. For the last 8 years, I have been working on robotic automation and providing vocational trainings within the department. Since 2019, I am responsible for the BİMSER beam application we have been using. As Toyotetsu, when we needed a more digital solution for asset and maintenance management, we decided to use BİMSER's beam application. Within the scope of this project, we removed the use of paper and Excel and established a fully digital and automated system. Prior to the project, we were conducting asset management on paper and Excel spreadsheets. In this context, we were experiencing great difficulties in removing, adding, or moving assets. Reviewing failure and repair records was very laborious for us. This reduced efficiency in the work process and caused errors. All maintenance work had to be entered completely, and their durations had to be tracked. We wanted to improve decision-making processes by receiving reports in a fast and useful way. It was a very important issue for us that all past failures could be seen by everyone. Prior to the project, the management and maintenance of assets was carried out through Excel and paper spreadsheets, which resulted in low efficiency and risk of errors. Although there were complexities during the integration of assets in the project setup, we overcame these difficulties thanks to the active support of the BİMSER team. After the project, all processes became more efficient, automated, and the risk of error was minimized with digitalization. During beam implementation, assets were grouped into welding and press departments. Special malfunction definitions were made for the machines and tracked. All technicians increased productivity by using mobile applications in the field. At the same time, ERP, QDMS, and energy monitoring modules were targeted prospectively, and the whole system was ensured to work in harmony. Digitalization provided a more efficient working environment. Workflow accelerated with fast access to data. The efficiency of technicians increased and work was completed faster. Detailed analysis supported management decisions. Paper usage decreased and environmental impact was minimized. At the same time, the project was successfully completed with BİMSER's experience and approach.
I am Andarsh, and I worked as a product consultant on the Toyotetsu beam project. We selected the welding department as the pilot area at Toyotetsu. Initially, we transferred the assets of the welding department, followed by the press and mold maintenance assets to build the asset tree. To ensure easier usage for users and to collect data more accurately from the field, we designed our setup entirely around the mobile application. We recommended a test run of approximately 1 month before the go-live phase. During this period, the application became widely adapted in the field, and any missing data was completed. We also implemented a two-way integration with the Smart Factory application used by Toyotetsu. According to this integration, a stoppage-related fault recorded in the Smart Factory system is created as a work order in Beam, and once the work order is closed, it is also marked as completed in the Smart Factory system. Following the go-live, our main focus was the reporting and graphing processes, which were the primary reasons for implementing the application. Considering the combinations of graphs available in the application, it is possible to generate over 1,000 reports and graphs. After a certain period of live usage at Toyotetsu, we transitioned to the dashboard phase. We analyzed the KPIs they tracked, completed the dashboard designs, and delivered them to the client.
We would like to thank BİMSER for all its support during this process.